Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to record your screen using an app called AZ Screen Recorder. To get the app, all you have to do is go to the Play Store and type in AZ Screen Recorder. Download and install the app. To use the app, all you have to do is open it up, tap on the record button, hit start now, and you started recording your screen right now. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.